I've owned my Bose Soundlink OE headphones for quite a while, and as you can see, the earpads are worn out, and they literally just fell off the other day. I didn't know they were this bad until just recently, where I saw they were just barely hanging on. And in this video, I'll show you what I replaced these with and how to put the new ones on properly. I got this set of replacement pads from Amazon. I didn't want to spend too much money, and these were $15, which were priced right in the middle of all the other ones I saw. To start out, there's a clear plastic ring that needs to come out. These are there to keep the earpads flat during shipping. Next, on the headphones, the remaining skirt from the old earpads needs to be removed. These are like tight rubber bands and will slide right off. Even though my earpads have completely fallen off, the skirts still remain attached to the headphones. And the new earpads won't go on without removing these first. On the headphones themselves, notice the right and left indicators imprinted on the center. So I'm going to start with the left side first. From the top, the black rubber skirt of the earpad needs to slip over the tiny lip of the ear cup. Once the top is in, hold it in place and slowly slip the earpad skirt around one side of this lip, maybe around halfway down. Then turn it over to the other side and slip the other side in. This can be a bit tricky, but you can pull the earpad and stretch it over the lip. But do try to pull both the pad and the rubber skirt at the same time so you won't rip it. At this point, grab both the pad and the skirt on the bottom and stretch it over the last part. Once it's on, it's not going anywhere. And this seems to have a good fit and feel to it. Okay, the left side is done. Let's move on to the right side. Again, remove the clear plastic ring first. This time I'll install it in real time without a cut so you can see how long it takes to put on. But I gotta tell you that I could probably do this a bit faster if I didn't have to keep my hands in front of the camera. I'm definitely not holding it in an ideal position for me since I'm trying to get a clear shot for you and keep everything in focus. But I'm doing the same thing as before, starting from the top and slipping both sides on a little bit at a time. I didn't have any practice runs before hitting the record button because I knew that once I got this pad on, I'm not taking it off. So again, careful stretching and pulling both the pad and the skirt are the best method. It's really not difficult to do, but it is slightly awkward. When it's done, these look and feel just like the original Bose earpads. I've listed these replacement earpads in the description so it's easy for you to find. I'll just do one last check to make sure the skirt is wrapped around the lip on all sides. And now my Bose Soundlink OE headphones are like new again. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.